Mini lesson. All right, rules for commas. Commas can clarify meaning and tell readers when to pause. Put commas after every item in a series but the last. For example, poets pay attention to the sounds, meanings, and emotions of words. Sounds, comma, meanings, comma, and emotions of words. And you notice that the comma comes after sounds and after meanings. Example 2. The audience applauded, cheered, and stood up. Applauded, comma, cheered, comma, and stood up. The comma comes after applauded and after cheered. When you speak or write to someone, you may use the person's name or title. This is called direct address. Direct address is set off with a comma or two if it is in the middle of a sentence. Direct address using a comma. Example, will you read some more, Mrs. Loster? So we say, will you read some more, comma, and then the person's name, Mrs. Loster. This is called direct address. In the second example, I'd love to, comma, children, comma, if you aren't tired of sitting. Notice that the comma comes before children and after children. I'd love to, children, if you aren't tired of sitting. Appositives. Appositives are noun phrases that describe another noun. They are set off by commas. For example, Mrs. Loster, comma, a wonderful poet, comma, lives in Illinois. Mrs. Loster, and then we have the appositive phrase, a wonderful poet, that's talking about Mrs. Loster. And it's sandwiched between two commas. King Midas, a myth about values, features a greedy king. So the story, King Midas, then we have comma, a myth, comma. And it's, once again, the myth is describing King Midas. So that's why it's sandwiched between two commas. This is called an appositive phrase. Commas, introductory words or phrases. So the rules, put a comma after an introductory word or phrase, such as yes, no, well, of course, or in fact. For example, no, comma, I haven't read the new book. So you would say no, make sure you put the comma there. Or if you said yes, then you'd say yes and put comma, I have read the new book. So here it's no, comma, I haven't read the new book. As usual, comma, I'm too busy. This is for introductory words or phrases. Commas. Thanks for watching.